Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna be doing a review on this really cool bike stem. This bike stem has truly been a game changer for me. Now I know there's a lot of people out there that expect this bike stem to be some sort of mountain bike suspension or something, but this is definitely not that. Being someone that rides in the city, and as someone that rides fixed gear, you really do feel every single bump on the road, any sort of gravel, any crack on the road. You pretty much feel everything. And with time, I've pretty much grown accustomed to it, and I never thought there would be a stem like this that would pretty much change the game for me. Once I installed this stem on my bike, I really understood how much every single bump, every crack on the road affected my riding. So like I said earlier, don't expect this to be like some sort of mountain bike suspension, because that's not going to be this. Now as this stem sits right now, I pretty much can't move it at all. There's no wiggle. But once you start riding on the roads, you can really feel the difference between this stem and your average bike stem. The bumps on the road pretty much feel non-existent. Gravel feels non-existent. It genuinely feels like there's some sort of fork suspension. And like I said, as a fixed gear rider, you really feel every single bump. But this has totally changed the game. Now here on the bottom, you do have this little knob. You are going to need an Allen key, and you're going to be able to adjust the stiffness on the stem. Now what I did was I went ahead and turned it up to max stiffness, and I rode on that. And then I went ahead and loosened it up as much as possible to really be able to feel the difference between max stiff and max loose. And I must say, there is a big difference when you put it to the test on the road. After I did that, I was able to micro adjust to my desired stiffness, and I think I've really dialed it in. Now here on the top, you are going to have this little cap, and per the instructions, it's recommended that you remove it every few weeks and then grease it up. This will help you extend the life of the stem. And I mean, overall, I 100% recommend this bike stem. Whether you're riding on a road bike or a fixed gear bike like myself, I 100% recommend. If you're a city rider like myself, this stem will definitely be a game changer. It is a little pricey for what it is, but I can 100% guarantee that I'll be installing more of these stems on every single one of my bikes.